A very tired orange cat lying on a soft pillow after a long day of playing. The cat slowly drifts into a deep sleep and begins making soft, adorable snoring sounds. Gentle breathing, tiny snorts, and cozy purring mix together as the orange cat snores quietly like a tiny engine.